Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Let's Begin. Today I'm doing something that I usually don't do is first impression. I usually just have the wigs out. Today we're doing it on Sensational Sheer Muse collection on Laisha. I think that's how it's pronounced. Ear to ear lace with baby hair, and I have it in the color number 1. Show you that it comes in multiple colors plus your neutral colors like 1, 1B, 2, and 4. So yeah, they gave us a pretty variety with this one. On the start card, it claims the salon inspired and cut ear-to-ear lace, includes baby hair, lightweight unit. It says cutting edge looks for the girl who's not afraid to live on the edge. Oh, look, that is me. It says meet Laisha, or should I say Miss Longhair Don't Care. Oh, I swear they was thinking about me when they made this. She knows how to make an entrance with effortless weight length waves. Oh yes. Show up and glow up with Laisha. Alright, and I got it in natural lighting right now. Because a lot of you guys like when I show it in natural lighting. So this is the process before I take the net off, which looks pretty good. On each side. Let's unwrap her. Before I put it on my wig head, I just wanted you guys to see this. It kind of looks like she's tangled a little bit. Of course, you know you're going to have to comb, just strap and comb in the back. So, as y'all can see, she's already tangled straight out. Alright guys, here's a better view in natural light. So this is what the parting space is looking like. I'm still gonna pluck it if you know me. It's a close up of the hairline. I wanna say, I don't know if my head is getting bigger. These wigs are fitting pretty tight on me, and I have a small head, so I don't know what's going on. Dude, don't mind my eyebrows, they look real crazy. Here's what the hair looks like. A better view. Mind you, y'all seen me take her just straight out. I'm kind of disappointed. I know she's not gonna last. We're still gonna make the best of it. I am still going to slay her. Alright guys, so from here on out, I'm going to be telling you about the customization. So first I just start with getting what I want around the perimeter for my baby hairs. I just part around the hairline. I'm kind of bummed because I was wishing that it was more lace so I can really customize it, but whatever. So I just go around and on each side get what I want out of the hairline. Then after I do that, it is going to be time for the plucking. There were some places I was not able to part because there was tracks, which I was pretty bummed. After I do that, I'm going to start the plucking. I just pluck it thin all around. And once I pluck it thin all around, I'm going to also pluck the sides. On the corner, you're going to see that it was not working with the tweezers, so I had to use my hands. Once I get it thin into my liking, I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the part. And I'm going to do, the pull and twirl method that I do with my hands. I just want to let you know ahead of time, you're not going to see me lay the hair down. And also, I just want to let you know that my boobies are kind of out, and I do apologize for that, and I promise I do have on shorts. But this is the end result once I pluck the hairline. Now, let's get into it. Hey, guys, I am back, and this is the finished look. The front, this is the side, and this is the other side. Let's just get into this. First of all, it was so hard to lay this wig on my head. I'm glad I cut it and did not do my usual showing y'all how to lay this wig. It took me almost an hour and a half to lay this wig. It was not fitting. It wasn't trying to come all the way down. Then when I would get one side, I couldn't get the other side. It's a miracle that I was able to lay it down. It was so hard. I was about to show my baby hairs. I ended up getting a call, phone up, down. I was like, you know what? I'm just over it. I want to get this review done and over with. I really want to pluck my part a little bit more, but I'm just going to leave it alone. I did what I said I was going to do. I was just going to make the best of it and just slay it. Whew. So now that I done took it out, I'm going to brush it out. Okay. It's a shame that straight out the box, it was tangling. Y'all see, like, I don't know what's up with that, but that's a major con. For this not even fit on my head. I got it down, and you know how I spray the middle and I put the scarf down? I felt as though it was about to lift up. I was so scared. Like, it's soft, kinda, but the way that it tangles and sheds, it's not worth it, y'all. I'm sorry. This is not a unit that I would stand by, especially for what they're charging for it. I'm so happy I did not get this in a color. I think I paid like $30 for it, and for color was like an extra $4. I'd have been mad as hell. I would have been mad as hell. And y'all would probably say, oh, it's only $30. The last wig that I just did from Main Concepts, Amica, that was only $30. And you would have thought that was Brazilian hair. And it was synthetic. It wasn't a human blend. It had synthetic fabrics. So this is a no for me. This is a no. I'm not even going to style it. Probably style it on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me. Let's begin. I don't even want to make an intro for this. If y'all see an intro, it's by the grace of God. I'm not even happy about this. I can't even see how I look right now with it on because I can't return. Because I noticed when I have it selfie mode, it start making that little ding 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 noise, and that shit's fucking annoying. And then the sun decided that, hey, I want to play peekaboo, so I had to turn my ring light on. So this is what the wig looks like in the ring light. I can't stand by this wig. I cannot stand by it. There's more cons than pros. Honestly, there's more cons than pros. The stock card, I read it to you. It says waist length. It's waist length, but yeah, when you're sitting down, not when you're standing up. When you're sitting down, and it's barely waist, and I'm 5'8". No, you got to be like 5'2" and lower for it to be waist length. This is, whew, no. No. Y'all probably at home like, it looks so pretty. You did like, no. The best quality of this wig is the curl pattern, the pattern of the hair, and the actual lace. Because this lace is bomb. If they could put this lace on their wet lace collection, because this lace is really wet lace, and it's not transparent lace. This lace blends so well. It looks so good. So I just wish they would swap out this lace for the wet lace collections lace, and also put this porting on every wig that they make from now on, because the porting is bomb. I really didn't have to pluck it. This is a wig that you're going to have to cut. It's not going to last long. Straighten and keep a brush. You're going to have to keep one of these. This is going to be your trusted friend. We already know that I'm going to have to maintenance her for Maintenance Monday. And I may not even wait 2 weeks to give y'all a 2-week update on this, because I already know within a couple days it's going to be done, because when I first did it, straight out the pack, it was tangling. Let me calm down. So this is it from the side. To the back. Hopefully you can see. When you see my thumbnails and pictures, they're probably going to look so bomb. But do not believe the hype. Do not. Please get your on something else. This is like, it's like they put the lace and hairline for up to date for now, 2019. But they gave us hair from 2015. Like, this reminds me of some of the wigs they made back in the day, where, you know, their synthetic fabrics was not that good. Yeah, no. Thing that says premium fibers, I would avoid, unless it says it's mixed with human, because this ain't it. I just keep saying that. This ain't it. Look. Strands. I'm gonna have to vacuum my floor. Just to interject this video for a second, because I was ranting. I just didn't want to be selfish. I did want to show y'all at least 2 of the hairstyles that I did, but you will have to follow me on Instagram to see the rest of them. She probably looks so pretty on me, don't get me wrong, but she got to go. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can follow me on my Instagram, Let's Begin _ and it's Let's with a Z. Until next time.